was a battle there. In Zaire, 100,000 people there. In Zaire, all those people gathered there. In Zaire, to see the rumble in the jungle there. In Zaire, there came a man called Elijah. In Zaire, with him came the superstar. In Zaire, all those people came from far. In Zaire, to see the rumble in the jungle there. In Zaire. And who was the victor in the night? Elijah Muhammad's boy, Ali won the fight. Chanted there. In Zaire, 7 rounds of torture there. In Zaire, one more round and Ali's there. In Zaire, there was great excitement everywhere. In Zaire, the lightning struck twice in the night. Chanted there.